I literally have nothing to wear. You ask, I deliver. By overwhelming popular demand, how to pack for a European summer in 5 easy steps. Chic and comfortable, of course. Most importantly, you're gonna learn the 5-step formula to creating simple looks from your own closet. By the end of this video, you'll create tons of easy, classy outfits that'll have other women going, how does she do that? Hi ladies, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Shelli Pelly and I am a beauty and style connoisseur who has traveled the world extensively. After years of overpacking only to arrive at our destination and think, I literally have nothing to wear. I've zeroed in on a formula to pack like a pro and look like a star in a flash. Let's do this. Step 1. When planning your travel wardrobe, instead of pulling individual outfits from your closet, try a modular approach instead. Start with a foundation of neutral pieces, building on from there. This is going to give you unheralded versatility to create a slew of different looks on the fly. I start with pants, tops, sweaters, and a dress or two in neutral color palettes of tans, black, navy, and white. This is my foundation. Step 2. Now the fun part. To my neutral base, I'm going to add pieces with fun patterns and colors to give style and interest to my entire wardrobe. Think patterned pants, striped tops, and lightweight knits, and a favorite fun color or two. This will enable you to mix and match your own unique looks, confident that everything is going to play well together because you're operating from a neutral base. Quick example, these patterned palazzo pants that I'm going to take integrate seamlessly with everything else because I've got a number of neutral solid tops, and now I've got a lot of variety and my wardrobe looks stylish and interesting, not just one note. Step 3, I pack limited, simple accessories to bump up and polish any of my looks. 3 pairs of earrings, hoops, stud, and a statement. Hoops like this are my everyday earrings, so I wear these on the flight. They glam up everything, even a pair of schlumpy pajamas, so these are a no-brainer. I take a pair of diamond studs because I know personally I'm gonna get sick of wearing hoops every day. If you love a pearl, a simple gold or silver stud, those look equally chic as well. Takes up 0 space, I just put them in my tote on the side zippered pocket. I also take 1 statement earring. For summer, I love a turquoise drop. Isn't that pretty? I'm gonna put them on for you. Don't do that. Oops. The turquoise color works just beautifully and seamlessly with anything in my wardrobe because it's all a neutral palette and it just says summer to me. So this is something I might wear to dinner and drinks with an easy dress. I would probably even wear something like this for an easy casual dinner. Isn't that cute? I like it. 1 statement necklace, I'll wear something like this around London shopping for the day to bump up a white button-up shirt, and I might add it to a relaxed dress for a casual but nice evening dinner. All the community members know this. 2 pairs of sunglasses, a black and a neutral. They go with everything and it's easy glam. 2 lightweight scarves. I usually take 1 solid and 1 patterned. They're an easy layering piece for warmth. The most important packing tip for Europe, y'all, is check the weather forecast before you go. Europe, just like any place in the United States, can be very unpredictable in terms of the weather. It might be flippin' blazing in the southern end, but really cold, rainy, and chilly in the northern part. For those reasons, you'll also want to pack light layering pieces. Step 4, shoes and bags. Okay, this is where I have to exercise the most restraint. Shoes and bags are like crack to me. I love them so much. I take 5 pairs of shoes, 1 of which I wear on the flight. Sneakers, yes, you are going to be walking, y'all. Just ensure they're clean and look brand spanking new. It doesn't have to be brand spanking new, but they should look brand spanking new. They're super comfortable, cool, yet they're sporty, which is usually the vibe that I go for during the daytime. A chic flat sandal in a nude flesh tone color. These integrate seamlessly with every outfit and they're extra flattering on the leg. 1 lug sole sandal. These give me a touch of height and more comfy padding than just a flat sandal. Plus, there's no way I'm wearing the same flat sandal every day. We need options, people. 1 heel appropriate for cobblestone pavement. Think wedge or a block heel. This is something that I would wear for an evening out. Finally, cross trainers for the gym. We work out first thing in the morning when we're on vacation, and so these are a no-brainer. If you don't plan on working out, then obviously you have more room to pack more bags. 3 bags, a tote, a crossbody, and a woven clutch. The tote I take on the flight, the crossbody for hands-free day, and a woven clutch for nighttime. Both my crossbody and my clutch I make sure are very malleable and they're small, so they're simple to pack and they're not gonna take up much space at all. Some people prefer a chic backpack, especially if they plan on being out all day and want a change of clothes, swimsuit, and the like. Your vacation, your choice. You know what's even more helpful? A checklist. So be sure to check out my next video, Pack for Europe, 12 items worth the suitcase space, where I share 12 things you're going to need to pack from clothes to tech. And until a couple days from now, safe travels, and I'll see y'all soon.
Loading, track with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. And when I listen, but I told him one more time, your favorite MC's